Good evening, folks. LQ Weather here on Sunday, October 25th, 2020. This is the last Sunday for October, or as we like to call it, Rocktober, at 7:45 p.m. in the evening. Sad to say, next Saturday night, we push the clocks back on Halloween 1 hour. Daylight savings time kicks in. And kicking in is what's going to happen over the next week here, folks. Fall is going to kick in a big way as you have not felt it today. Temperature hit 52 degrees here for the high. Got down to 39 overnight. It's going to be a gray, raw, wet week. As I said to you in my last post, which was about a week ago, that the week previous was going to be wet and a little warm. I should say a little warm, but it was going to be warm. It was also going to be gray. And I know a lot of TV meteorologists were talking about sunny skies and 70s, and really wasn't this week. You can just see it with the way the pattern's setting up with the high pressure system up over the Newfoundland region and this feed of tropical type of air riding over it, that you're going to have this low cloud deck and lots of fog and gray skies. And we had lots of mornings where it was drizzly and foggy and very fall-like. Well, fall-like it will be. As we look at the GFS from the 18Z run, which just came out a little while ago, we can see Thursday we have rain moving into the area. This is from the tropical system Zeta. Yes, we're up to Zeta. And no, this is not the most active tropical season we have had. We have had others. 2005 come to mind. Very, very active. And also we go back to 1886 with the great Grover Cleveland was president. There were 26 named tropical storms. Just remember that, in 1886, no satellite. So they were all types of tropical storms that were in shipping lanes. There were said to be at least 6 to 10 that were not named that year. 4 hit Texas in an 8-week time frame. 1 wiped Indianola off the face of the earth. Thousands died in that category 4 storm. So that was very, very bad. So here it comes Zeta, all right, coming into the Ohio Valley region. Sorry about that. And it spawns, it gets cut off by this big high pressure up here, transfers to the coast, and we get a coastal. Good sign maybe of winter to come here. And there goes the coastal slides off of the Jersey Shore, the Delmarva, as it's called. Delaware, Maryland, they call it the Delmarva, and Virginia down here. All right, so now it slides past us on Friday. And look at this, interior snows, woohoo! Snow Queen, Snow Princess, Teddy S, here we go. And you could see some of these snows draining down into New York State, Gersey land, okay, PB land. They may see some white gold falling from the sky. You see this gets pretty intense out here. 990s, all right, as it starts to wrap up and redevelop once it gets off the coast. All right, and it starts to drag in as it deepens colder air behind it. All right, so let's take a look at the path that the National Hurricane Center has put out for Zeta. Hurricane hitting the Cancun, Yucatan Peninsula, back out over the Gulf into, once again, Louisiana. Let's take a tropical storm to hit possibly New Orleans. New Orleans, James Mazzuto, better watch out down there. Well, you probably have a party, I'm sure, knowing the Mazzutos. All right, here's the GFS. GEFS, excuse me, the ensembles. It comes up and it takes that path off of the Delmarva. All right, here are the winds. These are the browns, reds. This area are your tropical force winds. Okay, they'll be coming in onshore. This may ramp up a little stronger, may come in as a category 1, but we'll have to see. All right, so here's the GFS in the close-up. Went a little too far ahead. There we go. Let's bring it back here. Sorry, folks. Here's Thursday. All right, we're into Friday here as it goes by. And here you go, the snow coming down, dropping in the elevation. Could be interior snow. Wait, hold on, let's go back. Boop. There's the spot, PB land right there, TT Carolyn, even though she's not here. All right, there it is, northern Passaic County, possibly touching into tippy touch of western Bergen County as well. All right, all the way down. Let's bring it back all the way down. Gerseyland up there. Very interesting. Now, if we take a look, here's how much rain and wetness. We're looking at an inch, inch and a half range, a little more down to Jersey Shore up to 2 inches. All right, 2.5 inches. If we take a look at the euro does something very interesting. You can see Zeta coming into play. There it goes. And then it spawns another storm. All right. And this, if the euro is correct, which it has not been a lot, this could be a major snowstorm for above I-80 in Pennsylvania, down into Center County, Mikey Muggsland, Penn State. We are. Tough loss there against Indiana. Still think he was out of bounds before the ball hit the piling, but who am I to say? All right, Gerseyland. You guys will be looking at a good snowstorm. Interior snows all through here. All right, Britt, up by you too. Oh boy. Okay, may not be coming to work there on Friday, possibly. Look at that, all the way down in Sussex, down into Morris County, and into the tippy touch of western Bergen through Passaic. Okay, as we go through. And there it heads out. All right. Euro wetness, talking 3 inches down in South Jersey, 2.5 in Central. There's always a fight over that, whether it's Central Jersey or North Southern. I have no idea. That's a dichotomy, right? Up is down, down is up. All the way up to about 1.5 inches up into Sussex County. So it looks like a pretty good storm. All right, on tap. Let's take a look at the winter. If we go to snowfall here. Where did it's in 18Z now. It didn't go all the way out. Let me take it back to 12Z. Sorry about that, peeps. Here we go. Let's take it out to 12Z. Let's run it through here. Monday. And keep going. Speed it up a little bit. Boom, there we go. Tuesday, Wednesday. You can see it building. Thursday. All right. So there you go. You can see, you know, 1 inch, 2 inches. Let's see what the Kuchra does. Kuchra's about the same, a little more though. All right. So it'll be quite interesting. The flakes will be flying. All right. Let's take a look at the cold air that comes in behind it. This is Saturday night. I wonder why my lovely wife, Christine, hated Halloween during the 70s. It was always cold. Look at this. It's 20s, upper 20s, mid 20s, 30s. The city will be in the 30s. You'll see frost and freeze warnings flying, all right, for this. And then we take a look. Oops, hold on a second. The second one didn't come up. Oh, boy. Hold on. Let me go back to my stamp here. Oops. Go back to my surface temperatures. I don't want the anomaly. I want 2 meter temperature. Go to our stamps. 156. You can see exactly how I look at things here. Weather Bell, which is Joe Bastardi's site. See, look at the pinks. Oh boy, coming in 138. Now we go to 156 on Sunday, which is Sunday night. There you have it again. Freezing temperatures again. All right, here you go. Freezing temperature. City will be in the mid 40s. So it's going to reach about 60, 62 during the week. Excuse me, when it's not gray and cloudy. And then at night it will drop into the 40s. It's going to be very raw, very fall-like for the end of October. Here is what quite interesting. Potomac, Montana dipped down to minus 29 degrees Fahrenheit this morning. Holy moly, is it cold. This is now officially the lowest temperature recorded anywhere in the continental United States so early in the season. The previous low was 20 below zero at, I guess that's Bab, Blackleaf, and Bowen, Montana. All right. October 25th, 1919. It crushed it by 9 degrees. That is huge. Can you imagine that? Look at this. -6. That's incredible. It's incredible air temperatures. Okay. Look at this, -30s. That is just below. This is the temperature anomaly. 35 degrees below normal. Incredible. They are getting hammered out there. Here is for tomorrow morning. All right. The circled areas are record lows. Record low minimums. Look at it, all the way to California here in the upper northwest through the Colorados down into Texas, which is the nexus of I don't know what, all the way Nebraska, Iowa. I mean, this is a massive swath of land. Here are the this is the unofficial record-breaking temperatures across the United States. Okay, all those blues, the circled blues are record low temperatures. Now they're unofficial because they have to check the calibration of the machine. All right, these are the lows and highs. You got a few highs down here. It'll play through again. You'll see them pop up. Florida, yeah, okay, that's fine. But look at all these states in the record lows. Just incredible. Just incredible. All right, so going to be